This is the DJI Osmo Mobile 4, which is an amazing piece of hardware. Really nice box. We have a few informations here, like what's in the box, the DJI OM4, magnetic phone clamp, storage pouch, power cable. We have a grip tripod as well, magnetic ring holder, wrist strap, and a few manuals. So looks pretty nice. This one was bought from Argos. Just a few informations. Create magnetic moments. Amazing. So the main thing is the magnetic quick mount. So you can mount and dismount your phone really easy, which is amazing. It's foldable and portable. Have an active track, which is amazing again. Quick roll, gesture control, and story mode. Also, you have an app, which is DJI Milmo app. You definitely need that one for proper operation. So yeah, this is the box. We're gonna jump right into it and open the box. Okay, then we're just back here with the scalpel to nice and easy open the box. I don't even know where to start. There's like a foil on top of it. So I'll just try to nice and easy just cut this plastic foil. So as you can see, it's a brand new and open box. So yeah, this is how it looks. A really nice finish, so I love it. Now let's see what's in the box. We have a few informations about how to mount the phone, how to unfold it, things like this, which is quite interesting. Then we have the books, creating magnetic moments, which is quite nice as well. Let's see what's in this. So yeah, it's the pouch, which is really nice fabric. Yeah, amazing. I'll put it on the side. The wrist strap, which is nice as well. And on the other side, this is a really interesting thing on how to align the magnetic thing on your phone. You know that it has to be really nice balanced. So yeah, put it on the side. Is a nice piece. This is the one of the magnetic things that you can actually stick on your phone with a really nice DJI logo. The future is possible. Yeah, looks like the future is possible. Nice. What else we got here? A few magnets probably. And there's just the manuals itself in here, so I'm gonna take a look later on. Now we have the, whoa, really nice. This is the magnetic strap for the phone. Really nice finish, so the rubber feels really nice, and the DJI logo. Yeah, this one as well, amazing, looks really nice. This is the tripod. It's just proper plastic, feels good as well, opens nicely. You can use it as an extra handle Yeah, nice. I'll just put it here on the side. Oh, there's some rubber things here, really nice. Cable, it's Type-C, USB Type-C cable, which is fine. And the gimbal itself, oh my god, feels so amazing. There's like some informations here, which is Memo app, and show you a few things, so you can just peel this off and put it in a safe place like the box or somewhere in case you need the info later on. And this is the gimbal itself. Zoom buttons. Wow, feels so good. This is how you fold it. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. I love it, to be honest. I never had a gimbal before, so this looks quite amazing for me, being a new thing. Wow, it's not heavy at all, so yeah. Okay everyone, so these are basically all the accessories that came with the DJI OM4. This is my DJI OM4 review, so as first impression, is an amazing gadget. I'm gonna test it and I'm gonna use it outside. Please subscribe to my videos. I'm gonna do a lot of different videos and reviews with the drones, epoxy resin. I'm gonna review airsoft guns. I'm gonna do outdoor videos, so please hit the subscribe button here and make sure you hit the bell as well, so you can see all the content I'm gonna upload from now on. Thank you for watching, and also for supporting me. So if you want to see more videos with Alim and Fluffy, just hit the subscribe button and be careful and be sure you're gonna hit the bell as well, so you don't miss any content. See ya!